In this video, I'll fly from Duluth, Minnesota and the Cirrus Aircraft Factory Service Center down to Nashville, Tennessee in a client's Vision Jet. I'll also give you a sneak peek and show you my next Vision Jet coming in June of 2024. Come along with me and I hope you enjoy the video.
Good morning, departure Vision Jet 379, Juliet Mike 1.5 for 3,000 and the turn to 090.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 140.
Right turn 140, 9 Juliet Mike.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 180.
Right turn 180, 9 Juliet Mike. Let's take off runway 19, 379 Juliet Mike. So I appreciate you guys coming along today, and this Vision Jet does have auto throttle capability, so we're using the auto throttle now, and need to make some minor adjustments to the FMS programming so that we don't get an airspeed exceedance. We'll do that on GTC2 in a little bit. There we go. As you might recall from previous videos, the Generation 1, 2, and G2 Plus Vision Jets all have a maximum indicated airspeed of 0.53 Mach or 250 knots. And so what I'll do is kind of adjust some settings. We had some avionics stuff updated here where we've got new software, and obviously all the databases were updated, as well as some other work while the aircraft was up at Cirrus Aircraft in Duluth, getting taken care of. So it's flying good today, and I appreciate you guys coming along on this video. So again, we're at flight level 310 on our way to John C. Toon Airport, and this is a client's jet, so appreciate the opportunity to bring you guys along. Can't always do it, but since it's just me on board today, it'll be perfectly fine. So ambient temperatures right now at flight level 310 are minus 52 degrees Fahrenheit. Minus 52 degrees Fahrenheit, so that's pretty chilly up here. But it's nice and warm in the plane. As you guys might recall, in my previous videos, I used to fly a Generation 1 Vision Jet around. It was 379 Juliet Mike. And that plane was sent off to its new owner, who's really loving the plane, flying it up and down the East Coast between Florida and New York. There was also some question about what my next plane might be, and so I wanted to try to start telling you guys a little bit about what the future looks like for me. I have requested a new tail number for the next plane. It is November 90 Delta Papa, 90 Delta Papa. That's got some significance. I'll tell you about that a little later. And you might wonder, what's it going to be attached to? I'm going to move forward with a plan that I've had for about the last 2 years with my next Vision Jet. So it'll likely be a Generation 2 Plus Vision Jet, but you never know. It's going to be delivered to me in June of 2024. So I'm looking forward to that, and it will have the new tail number, 90 Delta Papa, assigned to it. And so I'll take this opportunity right now to insert some photos of the exterior and interior for your viewing pleasure. And so I hope you're as excited about it as I am, but there should be a new Vision Jet in my hangar in June of 2024, just a matter of months away. So that's what's going on with me, and appreciate you guys coming along on these videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Click on the notification bell, because that helps me out a lot and tells people at YouTube that you like the content. But also clicking on the notification bell will make sure that you're reminded as soon as new video content is posted. So thank you a lot for coming along on today's video. Again, a little bit different than usual in that we're just talking about my future plans, and we're flying in a client's Vision Jet. And I hope you enjoy the content. Thanks a lot. Appreciate you guys coming along on this video. Until next time, safe flying. We'll see you on the next flight.
I really appreciate you watching the channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the videos. Also, click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when new videos are posted. I can't thank you enough for taking the time to send your emails, comments, and feedback. My goal is to provide even better content for you as we continue to grow the channel. Until next time, safe flying, and we'll see you on the next flight.